Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can change Messenger call sound. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find chats, people, and stories. So right now I'm gonna go back to chat and right here as you can see guys in the top left corner you're gonna find the sandwich icon. Go ahead and click on it and then once you're here you're gonna find your name here in the top and right next to it here in the right you're gonna find this gear icon. If you click on it it will take you right here to this page. So basically guys right here you're going to find all of the settings related to Messenger. So right now, I'm going to scroll a little bit down. And right here, as you can see, guys, under preferences, you're going to find avatar, notifications and sounds, privacy and safety, data saver, and so on. So right now, I'm going to click on notifications and sounds. So once you click on notifications and sounds, you're going to be here in this menu. So basically, guys, right here, make sure it's on firstly. So if it's off, make sure to enable it. And then right here under notification preferences, you're going to find ringtone, customize notifications, and a lot of settings. Go ahead and click on ringtone. And then once you click on ringtone, this will take you right here. So basically, guys, once you're here, go ahead and choose which ringtone you want to use as a messenger call sound. Once you choose it, just click on it and then it will be changed. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.